Hello everybody, I decided to share the lens test results that I acquired when using the lensTESTER web application. Using lensTESTER, you can carry out professional quality image measurements at home. Further, you can check if your new lenses meet your quality expectations, or if your old lenses are compatible with modern high-megapixel cameras. lensTESTER enables you to compare lens performance, and to see how certain camera settings impact on overall image quality. lensTESTER is an application that was created by a German company called Image Engineering, a company known for its high-quality image test charts. The lensTESTER test chart has 5 Siemens stars, 1 in the middle and 4 in the corners, that can measure the image quality at those locations. These stars can measure resolution up to 70 million pixels. lensTESTER workflow is started by mounting the test chart on a wall. Note that the separately printed Siemens stars are mounted later to the base chart on the 5 locations. In order to get accurate results, the test chart must be lighted evenly and with high intensity. Adjusting camera settings properly is also crucial. And self-timer is used to prevent vibration. You can select one of the existing camera and lens combinations from the list, or make one of your own. The JPEG test images are then uploaded to the server. When creating the aperture test graph, the software is using EXIF data from the images. The graph shows how the lens performs at different apertures, both in the center and in the corners. When viewing data from individual images, it is also possible to see how different corners perform. Unfortunately, Image Engineering decided on 25th of July, 2018 that lensTESTER is not anymore available for new customers, and the service itself will cease at the end of 2019. The reason for cancelling has not been published, but my experience tells me that this service was too difficult to use. The application was very picky and it rejected images that had, for example, poor color balance, uneven lighting or vignetting. I decided to buy a used Sony A7R camera for testing purposes, because it has an excellent 36 million pixel sensor, and there are a lot of adapters available for different lens brands. The camera was ready for testing only after cleaning the dirty sensor, and the amount of dirt was a surprise to me. My main interest was to test legacy lenses using the Sony A7R camera, with lens adapters. This approach made the job much more difficult since, in order to get results, I sometimes had to correct the images, for example by removing vignetting. I further had to add the lens information to the EXIF data. I will explain the test setup with adapters in the actual videos. Note that I always tested the camera and lens combination, and you may get different results with different combinations. The lens quality may also vary from lens to lens. And please remember that all results are from a non-professional hobbyist. These are simply the results I was able to acquire, and my interpretations about them may not be correct. So let's start by reviewing the results from some Canon Legacy FD lenses that I have owned for more than 40 years.